So this workshop is for men who are possibly struggling with anger or find it challenging to express or moderate their emotions. Somebody who maybe finds themselves always agitated or responds in anger and that's not the appropriate response. Unable to communicate really what they're thinking or feeling at any given time. Any man that's experienced adversity in their life, examples of adversity would be the death of a parent or a sibling, separated parents, any type of trauma, any type of abuse, instances where there was substance abuse or even an untreated mental illness in the home when they were growing up. Each workshop is 7 weeks. We meet 1 day a week for 1 hour. Participants can expect 3 things. The first would be to spend some time reflecting on their life experience and their history. The second thing would be to spend some time identifying the skills or strengths that adversity has taught them and then planning how to use that in their everyday life going forward. And then the third thing would be to give as well as receive feedback from the other workshop participants on their thoughts, their feelings, their emotions, their behaviors, as well as their plan. Each workshop starts once every 8 weeks. Typically we have between 4 and 10 participants in each workshop.